How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to another episode of SpeedTech Spotlight. In this episode, I wanted to go over our MultiColor Raptor Linear Visor Light Bar paired with our MultiColor Z12 surface mounts. So for example here, I brought a red-blue color model, and I went ahead and hooked up my power cables here to power, but we do offer a SIG plug power option as well if you would like to. And then I'm using our optional grand control here, which plugs in via connector, and then my power button here, and then you'll have mode 1 and mode 2. So when I activate mode 1, you'll see I have our combo rapid style flash pattern programmed, and then in mode 2 I have one of our simple 1-to-1 alternating style flash patterns programmed. And then you have your pattern button here where you can program your flash patterns whether you're in mode 1 or mode 2, so you have dual flash pattern memory. And then you have your takedown function here, which will activate your 2 takedown lights. And then those will either flash with your light bar or they'll go to steady burn, and you can activate those independently of your light bar as well. And then you have your aux button here, which you can hook up to 10 amps of extra lighting, all off of your optional grand control box. So here I brought 2 of our MultiColor Z12 surface mounts in red-blue, for example. And then you have your night mode button here, which will activate the red backlight LEDs on your grand control box. So that gives you a brief overview of our MultiColor Raptor Linear Visor Light Bar paired with our MultiColor Z surface mounts. Make sure to check out the product pages for the full product demo, and also use our interactive player to demo your lights online. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.